that's not happy.
What did happen? What's going on?
The worst just happened to me yesterday night.
Are you serious? What happened?
That Okpo, that pay-as-you-go girl that I carried the other day. She stole my gold necklace and my $500. See, I'm now, I want to cut my neck.
Are you kidding me?
Why are you laughing now?
No, sorry, just take it easy. You know, like I'm laughing, but she stole $500. Are you check? Just like that. You know, that's why sometimes I ask myself, how do they do this thing?
How do they do this?
I mean, how do people, not like necessarily you, but you just pick a girl, carry the girl home, you don't even know the girl from anywhere, pay her. What if this girl wake up in the middle of the night and just steal your private part?
Look, if you want to laugh at me, eh? Listen.
Fred, please. I'm just saying the obvious now.
Anyway, I at least expected it from this girl. I at least expected it.
But come to think of it, man, everything happens for a reason. Just think I'm saying the girls just steal your worries.
Worries.
That's what.
My gold chain and $500. Worries.
Yeah, now, but you will learn from this now.
Anyway, I've learned my lesson.
Yeah. Oh, Bob. Man, thank God that's the only amount you took, man.
She will be happy.
But all the same, man. I'm very hungry, man. I need to eat.
But I don't have anything. I don't have any money. You will pay. The money is on you.
See, that nobody's asking you to pay. I know you are broke. I will pay for you.
I'm not broke.
You just not $500. You know what, baby?
What?
Thank you for accepting my request. And I want to assure you today that I will love and respect you always.
Like I said earlier, if it's the will of the Lord, we'll always be together.
Sure.
You know, all my life, I've never dated anyone.
What? You mean?
Yes.
Oh! Come here. Sorry, excuse me. My friend, Fred. Hello? Fredo. What's up, man? Yes, I'm at home. Oh, you're close to my house. Alright, now rushing, no problem. Yeah, correct time. Alright, see you soon, yeah. Like I said, I'll always respect you.
Okay. You know I'm a fresher in this game.
I know.
Yeah.
Look for a way to get down. Yeah.
Honey, please, yeah. I want to eat my food.
Yeah, but hold on. Let me quickly introduce you to my friend. Meet Fred, Natasha.
What a world!
Yes, it's indeed a small world.
You?
It's she's the one.
Hand over my gold necklace. Now!
What's wrong with you?
What is going on here?
This is the whore that stole my $500 and my gold necklace.
So, I mean, what are you talking about? It's not possible now. Please.
Okay, na true. This girl na scam. That food wey she bring here the other day no be she cook am.
You hear that? What? Uka?
No be she cook am.
Natasha.
Mommy, please, sorry. Mommy, please, I'm sorry. Mommy, it's Miss Patience. She was the one that told me to come so that we'll work together. I'm working with her. Madam Patience. Me. I hope say this runs go well.
Hey, just do your own part. Leave the rest for me. You know what? That boy is extremely loaded. Hi, Obia. Once he loves you, we will make him dry. Hey! Do you know another thing? We will now come down to share the profit of the percentage. Hey! This woman! Hey! You go!
You know why I like you? You know say your things they go well.
Exactly.
So I sure say you no go fuck my style.
No!
You think correct
You know
woman?
wetin happen?
Wetin happen?
I am always part 1, no part 2 in my agenda.
She told me that your son is very rich. That should come, we'll make so much money. Mommy, please. I'm sorry. Mommy.
So that fool thought she could play with my intelligence. Get out.
Mommy, forgive me. Mommy, it will not happen again.
No. Before you leave, give me my $500 and my gold necklace before I call the police. You see my chain? Give it to me!
Hey!
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Get out.
Oka!
Madam, you can't go. Come on. Let's go, follow this place.
You can spend the money, but for this chain, man, I spend hell on this. Dave, how did you come across this hall? Never mind.
What a message, what a jewel. She got it. One of my she got it. She's the diva. She got it. Front and back. She got it.
It's me.
You again? See, make I tell you. Madam say make I tell you, make you know this compound again. You hear me? They go.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, go where? Go! Come out here. Wicked woman.
Uka.
Okay, I beg, no vex, I've been there inside the...
It's all right. Can you act or pretend to be a big man?
Like, best way rich, way get money, where?
Yes.
Okay, I feel do am now. You know, say, rich man been there my body, but my papa no quick notice and I make me there for this gate.
You don't, it's okay. You will travel with me soon. There's something I'm planning.
No wahala. But okay, if I travel with you now, who will come there for gate, the open gate for madam?
Don't worry, we'll fix that.
Okay, no problem.
You can imagine that low life I had wanted to help. She will live to regret it.
Mom.
Yeah. Let me call you back, okay? Thank you. Hello, son.
Fine, Mom. You're having a good time. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Mom, I have something to discuss with you. You see, I've been thinking. I want to make a short trip to any eastern part.
Somebody is running away from his mother.
No, Mom. Mom, don't be like that. That's not true. It's just that I just want to change the environment and mix up with the commoners. I just want to get 1 or 2 experiences, that's all.
I hope it has nothing to do with Natasha.
Of course it does. I mean, Natasha did what she did because she had something to gain. Mom, I want to find love in a place where no one knows me. That's the aim.
I think I understand it. It's okay. Just be careful, son.
Sure.
In that case, you will have to go with either Oka or some other person to watch your back.
Yeah, exactly. I told Uka already. Alfred will help me fix some things in the office.
It's okay.
Thank you, Mom. Talk of the devil.
Madam, good evening. Madam, that your fake friend will bring that fake girl come here that time. You come where I pursue him.
Good job.
I pursue am well.
Good work.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, Mama, I'll be inside. I have a few calls to make.
Alright, sir.
You know, say my madam, they like people who sabi work well. Boys where they sharp for work. So what happen be say, you get where me and my oga won't go. You get where say I go out for them. Never know what be that. So you go come, make you come the open gate, they close for my madam. You understand? You go pay you well. If na food, you go chop well, you go do okay. I know say you go feed one now.
I go feed one now. You know me now. No be today I begin to do this work. And if I no go feed one, you no go call me.
So it be,
I be the thing. So, but the problem we be see we could do now. I hope say small change could do. Enter my pocket.
They talk. I forget about that small change. They say you go enjoy my madam well. So far say they work well.
No, I
Me, I
see.
trust you. I know say it's a big work. I know go see him now.
Now we're in the village.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Everything I told you, you must adhere strictly to it. Exactly. You see that shop we saw when we're entering? I copied the number. Okay. I have to go and confirm and then discuss with the owner so I can buy it. Okay. You now go back to that hotel. I show you the description of the place. Yes, yes, so take the key and go. I don't want people to start seeing us together. Give me your hand, your phone. Take this one. Behave yourself, Uka. You understand? So okay. Cool. Right, to take the car, let me pass here.
Fine girls. When they go my way, make I drop una.
No, thank you. Gucci, let's go.
Just like that.
Yes, you're still here. Let's go, Job.
Dragging her? Don't you know she's like an egg?
Do you know that she almost followed one man in his car?
You mean car?
Brother, if you see this fine car, he wanted to talk to me, but sister refused.
Hey, wait.
If you see him, see his fine black skin.
You mean this car?
Oh, go back here. Why you drag her now? You are the fine. I do my spec. My kind of woman.
You look like a piece of joke. Excuse me.
You're welcome. See, let me tell you, don't mind her. I have Ugochi here. I have a beret and I have a Dama. She's in the city. Very beautiful. But Ugochi here she's better. I'm telling you. You can make your choice.
Yes, she's fine.
She's a wife material.
I can see you a distributor. No problem. I'll come back.
Ugo.
Bye-bye, yeah?
Ugo. Go to South Africa. I will never forget you.
Yeah.
Don't lose this man. Go. I don't know you today.
Apa Mefuna, where are you?
Afam, come out. Afam, just come out. The worst is about to happen.
Maduka, why are you shouting my name like this?
It is better I shout your name and prevent this calamity from happening. I will shout, oh. I will shout your name.
What calamity are you talking about?
Oh, you don't know somebody, one particular man that came from the city is about to take your berry away. He came in a fine car. If you motor, if you need the poor.
Wait. My own ebere.
Your own ebere, you are here.
Tell me you're not serious.
Will I joke with things like this?
Wait, someone wants to take my ebere away from this village.
He came in a fine car. You are in trouble.
In this village?
Better do something, no? Or something will do you.
Maduka, are you serious?
Oh.
Maduka, are you serious?
You're making me repeat myself. I am serious, oh.
Someone wants to take away my ebere in this village. For what now? I'll kill person, oh. I'll kill person. Come and show me the person. Who is that person?
Actually, I did not see his face, oh, but I know his car.
My own ebere in this village. See, if I get that person, I will destroy anybody that wants to take away my ebere.
I know what you can do now.
Go and show me the person.
But I know his car. He must pass through this road. Hey. Oh, you don't know me. Oh, let me keep this one.
He wants to marry my ebere.
Keep that one.
Stay and wait for me.
Either he passes through here or he passes. Look at the tire of his car. He doesn't know you. You know, hey! Yes, look at the car.
Stop there! You better stop!
Stop now!
Stop there! Listen to me.
Stop now!
Just calm down, no. Calm down.
If you cannot come down, let him wind down.
Oh, you don't want to come down?
Wind down if you cannot come down.
So you don't want to come down?
My boys, waiting they happen now.
Hey, calling us my boys.
Who be your boys?
Imagine, oh.
Listen to me, let me tell you. Leave ebere for me, oh. Leave ebere for me, oh. Please. You can go and marry Ugochi, Chinyere or Adama, their sister. But you see ebere, Wele Asolum. She's my wife to be.
Exactly.
Leave ebere for me, oh.
Guy, make I clear you. You see ebere? I don't know him. Yes. But Chinyere, me I feel die put.
Wait, oh bros. Are you saying that you don't know ebere?
At all.
I'm sorry, bros. Don't be offended. Please, I'm sorry. You can go now.
No,
what did you tell me now? You said you saw him with ebere.
No, I only saw his car coming out and I suspected it would be ebere. I'm for interest. I have to call you.
Look, do you know you're stupid?
Wait.
Do you know you're stupid? I'll kill you today. What's the meaning of this story here? See, let me tell you, you're very stupid.
I know. I thought it was ebere. I am sorry. Just go. Don't follow me. I should not follow you. I should not follow you. I should not follow you.
This one really right, say make I wait for you for junction. Hope say everything will be clear.
Yes, that time you were talking and you made mention of Chinyere, I knew I would have something for you. Meaning, Munagi Ememu business.
Serious?
Yes.
So, tell me now, how you go be?
Bros, it's not that easy now. You know, my mouth is like motoka. Once you fuel this mouth, Oboaka moto. You know what I mean? Yes, just do it.
Anyway, no wahala, that one no be problem.
I'm doya. Bros, this your moto is fine, no?
Don't worry, this one is small.
Is this one they call moto purisi? That's the Mercedes.
This one is small, yes.
Moto purisi.
But for now, just hold on with this one first.
Okay.
Or I will give you more.
Yes. No.
Goes the clear way.
Okay. Let me tell you the secret. If you want to have Chinyere, You have to promise Ikenta, her brother, that you will take care of his bills to South Africa. He's a greedy and ambitious human being. He wants to go to South Africa. Just make this promise to him.
You mean that?
Once you promise Ikenta that he will go to South Africa through you, he will put Chinyere in an envelope. Seal Oregi Chinyere. Send it through, what is it they call it? DHL. Just try this one. You go see as the my number still there for there.
Right.
Thank you, bros. Don't mind me.
I like your type of person.
I know if you wear these slippers enter here.
No worry.
I will carry them for hand. Thank you.
No worry.
Hey, bros. I'm going to pick icon they go now.
No problem.
Nobody knows I meet you.
No problem.
That's no matter how they do.
All right.
Hello, Commissioner. I don't really have people that will take the risk and get such a contract deal. So let's forget about it. 150,000 naira is such a small money. I just think I will handle it alone and give you 300k. Oh, let me just call you back shortly, Commissioner. Okay.
Babe, Heidi said something about 200k. What's the contract all about? I'm interested.
No.
Same here.
You can't take the risk, so forget about it.
No, we can't.
You're serious? These girls are serious. You know, there is this contract that came out in the office of the commissioner. Yeah. And to make the boys happy, you have to bring 150,000 naira each.
150,000.
150. Yeah. Not 150,000 naira each.
I will give you 200k before Friday.
Same here too.
It's okay, but you have to take it low.
Low-key.
You know the ones I've got. Yes. You know. So we'll finish that later.
Okay.
No, put your head up, please.
I don't know why Honorable's number is not connecting.
But I keep calling her. She must speak. Just continue.
Yeah, the place will be quiet.
Wow, my crush is here.
Ogo.
This man cannot just stay one place.
Will you shut up your mouth? You're welcome. Welcome. Sit down. Hey.
Hello.
Ogo. You're welcome.
I beg, if you no verse, I no buy anything as I become. If person take this money, go buy us.
Let me help.
No. Let that your stupid Chinyere go and buy it.
Chinyere! Will you come here?
Brother, hope you're not trying to convince me about this man.
Will you shut up? Take this money. Go down the road and buy us drink.
You get one shop where they down there as I come. Just buy them for them.
Okay, again, I propose.
What brand of drink should I buy?
Go.
Buy the name. Fast. Be fast. Hello.
How is everything? Have you finally talked to her?
Yes.
Okay. It be your response now.
No problem.
No, how are you doing now?
Fine.
Thank you. Is that a novel you're reading?
Yes. It is.
Wow, that's nice. It seems you're new here, because I know the man that owns this place.
You're right. I actually bought the shop and the goods from him.
Okay.
Well, I hope you'll give me your novel when you're done reading.
Why not? I have a couple of other books that might interest you. You know, I love to read it. Help broadens the mind and, you know.
You sound very intelligent.
Thank you. And I like your sense of humor. Maybe once in a while you can come around so we just share ideas together if you don't mind.
It's okay. Just give me the drinks, beer, Coke, Fanta.
All right. For the records, my name is David.
I'm Chinyere.
All right.
Stop. Ogogoro. Ogogoro, you're still here.
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing in a keke?
No, he's taking me to the mechanic to pick my car.
Mechanic?
Yes.
You better leave that mechanic you're going to pick your car and rush down to Ikenta's house. Now.
What is happening to Ikenta's house?
Oh, Ikenta is about marrying off Chinyere to one guy that came to the city with Ezigbo moto. Good car, not that your nonsense car.
Married. How?
Eh? Don't worry. I know you always fear this mouth. Let me go ahead. Chinyere is about getting married and Ikenta will give his blessings. Today. If you want to confirm things for yourself, go to the house. If not,
no, it's not possible.
You say it's not possible?
Ikenta can't do that.
You don't know Ikenta. That's why you are telling me Ikenta cannot do that. The best thing you will do to yourself now is to rush down to his house.
What are you saying?
I have told you.
Ikenta want to marry Chinyere to another person? It can't happen.
I don't like repeating myself. This mouth like running speed, over speed.
I'm a Korobobo.
And I'm a chimpas.
So machine pass. Nandewi.
You don't know Ikenta.
Yeah, I will kill somebody.
You will kill somebody.
I kill somebody.
Before you kill somebody and go to jail, wear this mouth.
Me go to jail.
Wear my mouth. Wear my mouth.
Yeah. Madoka, take this. Take this.
500.
Yes. Just take it. I will see you later. Eh? See, I will kill somebody. Ikenta will do this to me. He cannot try it.
Go. Go, Baba, go. Hey, go. Baba and Keke. You don't have money when you want to. This man is stingy. You're giving me 500.
I don't know what is keeping this girl. Huh?
Brother, you're asking like you don't know the kind of sister you have. I'm sure she has gone to see her numerous boyfriends. I'm very sure.
Which boyfriend? Eh? Who that sharp boyfriend? With this her overriding ambition. Eh? Let me tell you, she don't know any man who. She didn't hear.
Brother, stay I'm late though.
I know you'll be late.
I actually met a guy at the shop. We both exchanged ideas. He was reading a novel.
Oh.
Hey, you see it? You see what I said? So you now have shopkeeper Bobo.
Shut that tiny mouth.
Very strange.
He said he'll come back later for the balance.
Who be that poor man with the intelligent best way get money like me?
You must be very foolish to ask me that question.
Hey, going up, bossy.
Hello? Village champion.
Hello, Ikenta.
Go ahead, I'm hearing you.
I saw Okoro Bobo. Nah. He's on his way to your house to ferment trouble.
He's on his way to my house.
He refused to fuel my mouth, but I am giving you the right information now. He is coming now to make trouble with you. That you want to marry off Chinyere to.
So that fool said all that.
I'm telling you.
That say cut down. I'm happy cut down.
Deal with him very, very well.
He's a madman. I will give him trouble.
Don't mind his big body. Deal with him. If you choke pin anywhere, he will less.
Hey, Mama, Ikenta. Forget it.
Stingy man.
Okay, Ogo.
You walk okay.
Okay, Ogo.
Who is your Ogo?
You walk okay. Okoro, go in with your in-law. Who is your in-law? Who are you marrying in my house? Go in, Alo.
Yeah. Are you trying to tell me that what I had is true? After eating my money.
Which money? How much is that? How much did you give me? Tell me, or I will give it back to you. How much? Go. Yeah.
Okoro Bobo.
Okoro and then we know mechanic. Machine part or yours.
You are talking to me like this. Yes. Hey, Arwe man. You.
Don't disturb my visitors. I have important visitors I don't joke with. I mean men with the money.
Hey!
Okay.
Take me to my mechanic. Let me take my car.
I
will deal with you. Is that right? Come on.
Where he get me? Bring up here also. See, man get a problem. Who here ba? I've given us my sister to go.
Come on, get out of here.
I've given it to have money.
Okay.
I'm total
you.
Oh my, you get that. You don't have money.
Okay.
I have to go to, I have children. I have if you have money, come and meet me. Let me give one to you. I'm from bullshit. How much do you have there? You want to disturb my in-law? Come on.
Ugochi, I'm warning you. I'm warning you. Stay clear from Muka. You don't want to respect yourself, Abi. You won't respect yourself.
What did I do?
Stop winking at Uka. He is mine. Can't you understand?
Hey, someone that has no regards for you, Bri.
Hey, Madam Regards. Then let him decide that for himself.
Anyway, all I want from him is his money. So when I'm done enjoying his money, you can have him.
Hey, then what else do you think I'll need him for? If not for his ego cash.
Well, I've just told you my own. If you like, take it. If you like, leave it.
Me too, I've told you I'm warning you. I will beat you. Take life from him in this house. So. What bitch girl?
You get to Dogu?
Kanaya.
Matter. Kanaya. Kanaya. Oh, Dogu, okay. I
know you very well.
Yes. How far though? You're not looking bad though.
I hope there's no bad news.
Oh no. You people misunderstand me in this community. I don't always have bad news. Oh. It's just that my mouth says what my eyes see. Especially when they pour petrol on the road.
I know you.
Yes. I have something very important that will benefit you. I know you will not take me serious. I know that.
I know you now.
I know you will not take me serious. But I know you want to travel to South Africa. Anyway. I know.
Mado.
That is why they call me Mado Kanaya. I see everything. And this mouth, once there's petrol, move. What I'm saying in essence, I can help you achieve that dream.
No, I don't get you.
This time around, I will not care for your petrol anymore. No problem. You can have your petrol.
Then tell me.
But I know how to convince that rich guy that came from the city, Oka, to make your dream come true.
Mano!
When you get to South Africa, then you
open
filling station for this mouth. You open filling station for this mouth.
I will bring down the fuel with tanker.
You will see me in
action.
I will be in motion. I will do it.
I want to buy for a
customer. Okay.
No, don't worry, I'll send to him.
The big or small bread?
Big one.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Don't you have a nylon?
Nylon is Thank you.
For what?
For helping me sell. You know what? Let's eat biscuits, granite, and cold coke.
No, you can't be eating your goods like that. It's not good for a growing business. Don't worry, after the tutorials, I'll go get it from the house.
So, boss,
The thing be say, now only that she near of a girl. Now she be better girl waiting for that family. And it be like say, you get one of their sister again, with the city. We be politician.
Man, whatever it is, I don't just want to make mistake or fall for a pretender again. No.
Was true. For me, you better say make her first go. Understand? Offer her plenty money. Money will plenty. We could see her reaction. Know whether na type we say she too like money.
I like that. And to add to it, tell her you see her through school. You know, like sponsor her education. If possible, just tell her you buy a car. You give her money, you know, change her life. Just tell her anything. Let's just see how she will react to it.
Okay, boss.
Right? Everything you're doing, I really appreciate it. And in time, I will reward you.
Boss, anything for you now, you're my boss.
No, okay.
Alright, sir. Okay.
Well, clear the road for me, I won't come out.
Abi?
Just check her back.
Hey! Oh, God! Oh, God! That's my great-in-law. Oh, God, but I was not expecting you.
You can't understand. No, don't worry. Don't worry, just forget it. Relax. What about this one? Your own they come. See, I bring better offer for your sister. If she accept them, everything cool, but if she no accept them, I go free am.
Onabiala, is she mad? No.
I trust you.
Chinyere!
If you do, call her for me.
Chinyere!
Call her.
Go. I told you. Oh, go. You see, I told you.
My baby.
You again?
Baby, calm down. Calm down. I bring better offer for you. You see this thing with the year, so I check off 4 million naira with this. Just take this one to start with. I will pay your bills. I will train you for school. I will take care of you. Do anything where you want. I mean, a car you want. Anything where you want, name am. As you big rich soul, that's why I go to do everything big for you. All I just want now, be my baby. Simple.
I know you like it. Wonder why. Oh, Tim.
You must be very stupid.
What?
Do you think I am interested in this your cheap rubbish offer?
Don't come. You slept. Are you mad? Are you mad, Chinyere? Come to me. Come back here. Hello. You want this moment, this baby? See. I'm sorry. I won't apologize to you.
Calm down. Forget. No worry.
Hey, man.
No worry.
Hey! If you come back to this house, if I don't kill you, I don't want to go some. Hey! You can't understand. I'm missing you. I can't miss it now. See, you must pay the whole business in this house. I want to help you, but I don't want to enter. No one knows why you can't. Hey!
Obano bako bulu, okwanti chiria. Ijijintike sokozu ana. High class, ona lafu takwa mando. High life, one buka manya. Ana meyali, ewo ane pyali. Na chonde gombute. Kimanka, imarana nkasa. Kimanka, imarana nkasa. Wanemi manka, imakwa nkasa.
How will you carry this heavy bucket on your head?
My brother insisted I use this bucket to fill the drums in the house.
For what? It's not like a punishment or something. Let me help you.
You didn't lock the shop.
Leave my shop. God will guide my shop. Come.
Eno walele, yelala. Kimanka, imaranankasa. Kimanka, imaranankasa.
Oh, thank you very much. All I have done without you. Thank you.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
I am.
Brother, he's my very good friend.
Hey, but you take on to this side with this thing? Eh?
I'm very sorry.
You will be more sorry when I go in and come out.
No, listen. I mean no harm. My name.
Akwakuma.
No.
Please,
Mr. Man, come. It's
just
not
go,
like yes.
come and go. Just come and go.
Why?
My brother does not like associating with poor men.
So listen, he won't do anything. Let me explain. I will talk to you as a man.
No.
Oh,
The beauty of a woman is in her character.
Boss.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Boss, I beg no vex say I hurry you like this.
Look, even me, I'm very confused. Why is that guy, guy, the brother to Chinyere, why is he very aggressive? That guy is a very stupid guy. Why is he so materialistic? You need to see the way he is behaving. All the money he's making from the sister, what is he doing with them?
Boss, that guy is a lazy fool. Lazy mogo. You know, say, as I reach there, offer Chinyere a check of 1 million naira. Immediately, the girl load me slap. Cause see the guy reaction towards the girl. No be smart, you know, he nearly kill him. The guy pursue him, provoke, pursue him.
Are you serious?
You know to see the way the guy they beg me, bros, oh, in-law, no verse, now in-law, come back.
That guy has money.
Boss, that guy and money, no, they are two. In fact, I know what I want to talk to.
Anyway, enough of the guy. I'm thinking of traveling. Yes, and I want to make sure I have a positive response from her before I leave. So, that's my plan. I just wanted you to know. So I want you to do me a favor. Help me watch her closely. Follow her bumper to bumper. Just observe everything from her.
Boss, I'm not for you, anything for you, but me, I still get suggestion. Understand? If you ask me, I advise you, make you make a manager for that your shop. Understand? So that I go the rich and well.
I think I like that idea. Makes sense. Okay, I'll talk to her about it. I hope she agrees. In that case, there will be no need for you to stay. I think you'll just travel with me then.
Boss,
high life, one day book a mania.
Who is your customer? We are not your customer. Oh, you fooled my mouth.
Listen, Dave or whatever they call you, I'm here to warn you. Stay away from my girlfriend. Stay away from Ebere. You can have Chinyere for all I care. But if I eventually see you anywhere close to Ebere, do you know what I will do to you? I'll kill you. I will destroy your shop. I will make your life miserable.
What is bringing all this? Please, just take it easy and hear me out. Who is Ebere?
Wait, like you don't know what I'm saying?
I do not have any intentions to go out with anybody called Ebere.
That's Etuzit. That's Etuzit, oh. Since you say you don't know anybody called Ebere, that fine black girl, don't think of knowing her in the future. Delete it from your mind. This is alphabet from I want you to touch his chest. Single bone. It will kill you.
I've warned you.
Let's go.
I've warned you.
Let's go.
It's either me or no one else.
Oh, let's go.
Why is everybody in this village so harsh and rugged? Where did this one come out from again? Chi?
Dave.
Hi.
Hello. I am so sorry about how that my mean brother treated you yesterday. Please forgive him.
It's alright. I forgave him yesterday because I love him. I mean, Because
I love you too.
You do?
Yes.
Are you serious? Listen, I've been meaning to tell you this, but I just don't want you to, get angry if you do not agree with me.
You are the most amazing and intelligent man I've ever seen, which makes you a good to have.
Thank you. I promise I'll always do you right, okay? But I still wonder why you find a broke-ass guy like me amazing.
Mentally, you're rich, which simply means with the right stroke of luck, you will make wealth.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, I wanted to tell you something. I'll be doing a short trip. I have an interview. I don't know if you can manage the shop for me while I'm away.
I will have to discuss that with my mom.
Okay.
But I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Come on, sit down. You go take our hotel. Spend time.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Hey, we've been scammed.
Oh, Jesus! Hey, wait.
Hey.
Just have account details.
Yes.
Okay.
The beauty of a woman is in her character.
Concerning what you told me about David, hope he will not deny you concerning the agreement of the shop.
Mama, he's not like that. I like him. In fact, I love him.
Anyway, another problem we will have there is your brother. You know he likes all these rich men.
Mama,
he's troublesome.
I don't care about Dikeh. All I care about is what makes me happy. Dave makes me happy. Yes, that's what matters to me most.
Oh, Ogologom.
Mama.
I want to give you the demo. Hey! Anyway, my dear, I wish you all the best. Thank
you, Mama.
Sister!
How are you?
I'm fine. Ugochi! Honorable Nat is here!
Okay. Hey! Honorable! Honorable! Honorable!
Thank
Honorable!
Check me out.
Honorable!
Check me out.
Wow! Honorable. Your entourage.
Oh, don't worry, they're on the way. See, I just want to be on the low key, so I decided to come with cake.
Really?
See the president. Please, I don't want him to know that I'm in the village. Let us hurry.
Hey.
Okay.
No, go.
Honorable. That is my honorable. You, stand there. The ever-ready politician of our time. I greet you.
Ikenta.
Honorable.
The next local government chairman of our village.
Chileke boy. Honorable. You see, Honorable, I brought this to guards to stand as a bodyguard. Anywhere you're going, they're going with you. Anywhere, any place you're going for occasion, they are there with you to protect you. From these our village urchins, you know our community boys are very bad. They can snatch your bag from you. So I need them to protect your life.
Ikenta. That's so thoughtful of you.
Oh.
It's okay. It's just that I would have called the Minister of Defense to send me truckload of soldiers. But I can manage them for now.
Oh, you see, I told you she will never reject you people. Honorable. Now listen to me. Your job starts now. As you're standing, that is how you'll be standing. As she's moving, you are moving with her. Anywhere she's going for any occasion, you are there with her. Make sure you protect her life. Very important. Very soon, she will take you guys to Abuja for official gun handling. And you become a political guard. Honorable.
And we promise to take care of her with our lives.
Yes, we promise, madam.
I am not madam. I am Honorable Natasha Onyema. The name that shakes mountain. The name that shakes the upper and lower chambers of the legislative arms of government.
Oh, what? Yes. Did you hear her? Don't ever make such mistake again.
To whom honorable?
To your Honorable Natasha.
Honorable Natasha.
To you again.
Honorable Natasha.
To you again.
Honorable Natasha.
Honorable Natasha.
Hey, it's my brother.
Very soon.
You know what's
up.
You know what's up.
Hey, baby! Hey, baby! Honorable, I'm coming. Come here.
What about Ugochi and Chinyere?
Ugochi, she went to the market with Mama to help her with sales.
And Chinyere?
That one. She has now turned herself into a sales girl in this village. Oh. She now sells for that her lover Bobo in his shop.
What? My own sister sells for a riffraff, a nobody.
Yes, so.
What is going on? That I want to remain on low-key in this village does not mean that any member of my family should be stupid.
Honorable, I have tried my best. But you know now, since she's so in love with her Bobo and she's crazy about him, she wouldn't listen to anybody. And can you imagine? That guy actually traveled and left her in that shop as he says girl. Oh.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Ebere, run inside, go and get me my bag and take me there. Hey.
Obano bako bolu, okwanti chiriya, ijijintike sokozu ana, high class, ona lafuta kwa mandu, high life, one buka manya, ana megali ewo ane.
You did not even see me. Oh, there is no more good morning, good afternoon, or even good evening. In fact, good night from your mouth. Can't you even greet your elder?
Hey! Thank your stars that I'm in a very good mood. I won't lock you up right now. Did you hear me? And the next time you address me as Adama instead of Honorable Nat, I will have you locked behind bars. Bam.
Can't get an akwa na gate him. Nekwa Bruce. Oh! Adama! Oh, children of nowadays, they have no respect for...
Hey. One more word from you. I will ask my boys to beat you up mercilessly. Bam!
Can't you? Ndi Busu, lock me up.
Yes, you You better respect yourself, you old man. Respect yourself, oh. I'm warning you. Respect yourself. And you see my sister here. She's a very big politician. Take a look around. And so, she should be addressed as such. And let me warn you. You better want that your miserable, poor, wretched, low-life son to leave me alone. He should leave me alone, no, in this village. Because if he doesn't, read my lips, old man like you.
Uchicha, you are talking to me. Hi! Hi!
What are we still doing here? Let's leave.
Hi!
Rubbish.
Hi! Hi! Oh, Pusu, talk to me. Oh, how far? How far? You have rubbished me. I will come. You will see my hand. You will see my hand.
Obano bako bolu, okwanti chiria, ijijintike sokozu ana, high class, ona lafuta kwa mando, high life, one buka manya, ana meali, ewo ane piali.
Sister Dama, welcome. Hey, hold it there. She's Honorable Nat. And you better start calling her by that name. Do you understand?
Hey, shut up, Ebere. See, she's still our dear sister Adama. And that's why she's family. Come on.
Rubbish.
Don't you ever in your miserable life address me in that manner again. Look at this one. I only came here to tell you to lock up this shop and go home. But I can see your reception is not welcoming. I will continue this discussion at home.
And you are lucky Ugochi is not here. If not...
Hi, Ugochi. How are you doing now?
What are you people doing here?
We're here to see you now.
To see who?
Are we not your friend?
You said what?
We're your friends
We're
now.
friends hey, who is your friend?
We are friends now.
Hey. Come on, we need to get out from here before military men attack both of us.
Military men?
Now, let's go.
Thank God Honorable Nat didn't meet those small girls here.
Afam, tell me
Baba, what happened now? Calm down and talk to me. What happened?
I have been insulted. They have insulted you. They don't know I have a son who can defend me. Can you imagine somebody insulted me?
Wait, oh, Baba. Somebody has the guts to insult my own father in this village. Who is that person?
They say, her name is Adama. Hi.
Adama.
Hi.
Papa, Adama, Ebere's elder sister, the honorable.
They say they are politicians or she's a politician. I don't understand, but they have politics in their blood. Adama.
Papa, I'm sorry. You have to bear that insult. You're talking about Adama here, Ebere's elder sister. And you know Ebere is my future wife. I'm sorry, I can't do anything.
The beauty of a woman.
I want us to maintain peace in this family.
I'm deeply sorry how Chinyere slapped Honorable without no sense of remorse.
She slapped me first. Come on, shut up. Keep quiet. Let the Honorable speak first.
You need to learn political proceedings.
See, I was begging Honorable not to arrest you. So better keep your mouth shut.
Mama was there, and Chinyere deserves to be dealt with.
I still don't know what my crime is.
Oh yeah, do you want me to repeat this for you again? You slapped an honorable member of the...
High class.
Thank you.
And never you try it again. Don't! Listen, let me tell you. If you try it, I will teach you a lesson you never forget in a hurry.
Don't worry. I will call the Minister of Defense to withdraw the troops he's about to send.
Hey.
I must appreciate it.
I don't want it in this house. Whatever you may call yourself, see, this is my husband's remembrance. None of you resemble her.
Auntie, welcome.
Thank you very much. Please, I'm looking for Ikenta. Is he around?
No, he's not around. He went out.
To where?
These days, whenever he goes out, it's either for his visa pursuit or he's trying to travel to South Africa, so he's going out to look for the money and everything, so he's making preparations.
Visa?
Yes.
South Africa?
Yes.
Okay.
And you know, these days, Auntie, I really need big men in my life to help me so I can give my brother some money, at least assist him for the ticket and everything he needs right now. And the money he's looking for is actually 300,000 naira. So we are all putting heads together to help him.
300,000 to go to South Africa? Okay. Did he tell you the person that is processing the visa for?
No, he did not. You know, anything my brother does is international, so we really don't know anything about it. Everything is international.
Okay, that's good. I'll be leaving now. When he comes, just tell him I called.
Who should I tell him called or came over?
Olivia.
Oh, okay, Olivia. Okay. Auntie, your name is fine, no?
Thank you very much. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll be praying for him. The Lord will do it for him.
Wow, Auntie, you are so nice.
Thank you. We'll go to South Africa and come back to take care of you. Yeah?
God be bless you.
No problem. Okay, now take care of yourself. I'll be going. Sleep well, eh?
Yes.
For real?
I mean, what's it?
Really?
Yes, Mom.
I am so happy. I'm so happy for you.
Thanks,
I am happy you have found love.
Yeah.
But have you proposed to her?
No, Mom. I wanted to, but I just thought it wise. It's best I tell you first before I do something like that.
Come here. That's very thoughtful of you.
Yeah, thank you, Mom.
Did you confirm her reality?
Mom, she's just too real. That girl is too intelligent to be fake.
Really?
Do you know, as we speak right now, she's the one helping me in that shop I bought in the village. I'm telling you. She's so nice.
Well, I'm so happy you finally found love. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm happy. Thank you. I can't wait to meet her.
Yeah, you'll meet her soon. I'll bring her. Mom, I'm sure she'll be thrilled when she finds out how wealthy I am.
I know, right? I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much, Mom.
So proud.
Oli. Olivi, the sweetest baby. What is it now? Are we quarreling?
It's like you don't want to be useful to yourself.
How?
So ordinary 300,000 that I told you to bring, let me process your visa to South Africa.
No, I don't want people to know you're the one doing this thing for me. I was even trying to connect you and I was not going through. I said, okay, let me, after washing this clothes, I will come to your house. I was even surprised to see you. See, let me tell you, the money is complete. The money is complete. Nobody knows that kind of money is in this house. Wait, let me... don't want anyone to know that you're the one doing this thing for me. I'm tired of this community. Even the local government chairman of it cancel. I'm not going again. South Africa, here I come.
But hope the money is complete.
My line, the money is intact, it's complete.
You didn't tell anybody that I'm the one processing.
How will I tell somebody?
You go to South Africa now, you know me.
I know here in the south.
You
get
to
Ikenta. Very soon, in Todan, South Africa. The local government cancel.
Hey!
Afam. Afam. Afam.
Who is it? Onye?
It's your baby.
Oju, why are you here?
Afam, I was told you need money to do something, so that is why I'm here. At least I can even help you. I can give you the money. Even if you take me to kill myself for me to raise money for you, I'll do it. I love you. I'm here for you now, Afam. It was even your friend Maduka that told me that you need money for something.
Uju, it seems you don't understand all this thing I've been telling you. I don't love you. I don't need your money. I've told you this several times, but you don't want to listen. I don't love you. Please, can you leave me? I told Biko.
Ha! Afam, take a look at me now and see what you're missing. I can even sell myself. I can even kill myself for you.
I don't need your money, please. And in fact, why would Maduka tell you I need money to marry Ebere? Why?
Afam, so even the money that you need is for you to go and marry Ebere. Ebere Abi.
Allow me to rest now. What's all this now? You better leave, oh. Okay. Don't call me again.
Ebere Abi, you love Ebere. Ebere, anywhere you are, God will punish you according to my size. I will deal with you.
Don't even try to touch Ebere. Don't touch her. If you touch her, you know what I'll do to you.
Okay, Kwemnaka. Kwemnaka.
Go and touch her, then you see what
hear
I'll
the
do
news.
to you. Okay.
God will punish you according to my size. I'm coming. Dave?
Hey. Yes, it's me. I know you'll be surprised. But I had to hide my identity from you because I've been through a lot. I needed to find true love. My name is Dave Okonkwo. I am the CEO of C&C Oil and Gas. That's who I am. Be my wife.
Yes, I'll marry you. That's it. It's beautiful.
Glad you like it.
Oh, good.
Let's get to your house.
Thanks, Doctor.
You better woman. My boss. Just that.
As I go to South Africa now, I go build house. I go buy.
What's it now? Who are you? Leave
her alone. Stop that! I said leave her alone.
No.
What is it?
No. Nat, we are here for our money. And to inform
which money are you talking about? Which money are you talking about?
Ask her.
Are you owing them?
Yes, she's owing us. Wait, Nat. After deceiving us, your father was the minister. No, hey, Nat. Oh, Nat.
Honorable, who are all these people?
Honorable.
Yes.
Deceiving you guys. Yes.
My sister, honorable. She's the one you're calling
what,
the thief.
Nat? Explain what?
Why have you girls decided to disgrace me in my village?
Our money. We need our money.
I will give you.
Nat, I need my money. I need my money.
Listen. My sister told us that she's working with upper chamber.
Yes. No, Nat! Give us our money. No.
What's happening here?
Ah! Dave!
What are you doing here?
The shopkeeper.
He is not a shopkeeper. He is the MD and CEO of C&C Oil and Gas Limited. Yes.
Hey, South Africa. Oh. Hey, okay. Now this criminal be that their sister when they talk say they city they do politician. Oh.
My Uka, what are you putting on?
Well, me I be gate man, oh, nothing come out. Now my God be this. Hey!
Yes. And for your information, we are getting married.
Getting Guinea. Hey!
Wake up, Nat! Wake up! Nat, my money! My money! Wake up! Wake up! Our money! Wake up! Nat, wake up! My money! We need our money! I'm not sitting here. My money! Stand up! My money! Wake up! Stand up! Our money! My money! Hey! My money! Nat! Nat! Stand up and give us our money! We need our money! Stand up!
La 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 la. Take a look at the corner. He can fuck one miss you. Take a look at the corner. He can fuck one miss you. What a jewel, she got it. One off of mine. She got it. She's the diva. She got it. Front and back. She got it. Excuse me, my lady. Hello, excuse me, Asama. Okono kampualiano, kamalu moga debapa. Ifi bunabi de mama, ubenza chipapulano. Kibunu de mama, watamisi chipapulano. Watajueju, she got it. One of she got it. She's the diva. She got it. Front and back. She got it. Lies and deceit, that is their way. Imakwa a green snake. They were in a green grass. And I'm merely nepurely. Mana hachipam managa. Faputasia benti elugiro. Bebeluga simobisa. Kinabata. Achuna misi makocha lacha. Konyanya kimala moja. Yechi nasa we popuroko wanemo. Konyanya kimala moja. Makana wanta bisi mana chalacha. Konyanya kimala moja. Ote kwa pankeki wanemo. Konyanya kimala moja. Oshinoteru nerike. Konyanya kimala moja. Osopaya nyate lipstick. Konyanya kimala moja. Odigi confused bagali ya mamagi. Konyanya kimala moja. Odigi confused bagali ya ndege. Konyanya kimala moja. What a jewel, she got it. One of She got it. She's the diva. She got it. Front and back love. She got it. She got it. One of them. She got it.